So today I'm going to show you how I make the falafel dough that I use to make my falafels. Hi. So the first thing is we have to put inside garbanzo for 12 hours in water. We put it in the fridge, and after 12 hours up to 24 hours we can grind it. We take onion, garlic, hot pepper and cilantro, cumin, and salt. Then we grind everything together. We open up and we add the garbanzo. Make sure everything is grinded to a very fine paste. And it should look like this kind of paste, really homogenic, and you can see how it looks inside the jar that I'm going to use.